Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another headband wig for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by CurlsCurls. I have worked with them several times in the past. They have one of my favorite kinky textured wigs, which is Melissa. I still have that. After all of my wig sales, I still have that in my stash. They specialize in like kinky curly textures. And so they came out with a headband wig as well. So I will be comparing this to the one that I got from Her Given Hair, which was very popular on my channel, and see like how they compare and contrast, because I feel like that'll be helpful to people still kind of waiting it out to see what's the best deal out there. So also, before we get into this, I have got a million messages over the last 2 weeks about companies using my image as well as other, influencers like Miss Naturally Mary and other influencers. You'll see them on Facebook specifically, but also on Instagram, because Instagram is owned by Facebook. A lot of sponsored ads by shady companies like Charlie Wig and Joy Wig. All of those advertisements are fake. If you don't hear me promote it on my channel and they're still using my image, it's not real. If the name is mentioned on my channel, like it's sponsored by a specific company, like this video is sponsored by CurlsCurls, if you see this same video on Facebook and it's a different company using that footage, it is not real. Like $25 and stuff, and that's what these companies are selling it for, but they are stealing content from influencers who work hard to create these videos. So help people out. If you see my image or somebody else's image on websites that you've never heard of, but you know it's from a different company, it's a scam. Don't get scammed. I know people want it for, $25 or whatever, but that doesn't even make sense. So be careful out there. Don't buy from Facebook ads, because 9 times out of 10 it's usually a scam. So let's get into this review. So this is the wig I'm reviewing today. You guys saw the unboxing. This is their Afro Kinky headband wig. So the difference between this one and the one I just showed you from Her Given Hair, that one was a 3C to 4A texture. This one right here is a Afro Kinky texture. So this is 4B, 4C. That is what texture I have, is 4B, 4C. You can have multiple textures and stuff in your head at the same time. So I have both of those. Even though I do have 4B, 4C hair, that other wig still look natural as well. So what I noticed about this, because I washed this like 2 hours ago, it's about 80% dry. Because of this texture being 4B, 4C hair, it does absorb a lot of water really fast. So you don't get as much curl definition with this, but it does look very natural with people who have this kind of hair texture. Like I said, it's an Afro Kinky headband wig, 4B, 4C texture. It has 150% density. Very, very full. I haven't even tried it on, but this is super duper full. It's 18 inches, and I'm assuming that's when it's stretched, because it doesn't look 18 inches now, but you guys know with natural hair, shrinkage happens and it looks shorter. The cap size is medium, and these wigs start at $169, but with my specs, this wig is $269 in comparison to the one from Her Given Hair. The one from Her Given Hair is about $360. So this one is $100 less, and it has a very similar look. So obviously, if you are trying to save money, you would go with this one because it is $100 less. This is what the texture looks like. Being 80% dry, it's still a little bit wet at the bottom. And you guys saw the inside of the cap. So I'm just gonna try it on and see what we're gonna do with this, because I'm considering doing a twist out with this wig, because I did like a wash and go style. I washed it with the Garnier Whole Blends conditioner, and then I put some of the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner in it. But I use whatever I have on hand, and when people ask me, I tend to just say that. And by now, I have watched enough headband wigs and everything to know if you have alopecia, you can still wear headband wigs. You just will have to wear the headband on your hairline like this to cover it. And I'm gonna Velcro it back here. And I'm just gonna push my headband back and show my edges, because I just feel like that looks more natural to show your edges, but you don't have to. If you suffer from hair loss or anything, you don't have to do that. So this is what this wig looks like in its natural state. A very kinky texture, very beautiful. I'm gonna try on a few headbands, and then I'm actually gonna twist this wig up and let it air dry for maybe an hour or so, just so I can see what it looks like as a twist out. But I wanna show you guys what it looks like in its natural state. I did a headband haul a few weeks ago, and I'll put that on the info card if you wanna check it out. I bought a ton of headbands from Amazon, so check that out. And I'm just gonna try on with some of the headbands that I have. Okay, so before I do a twist out on this wig, I'm gonna put it up in a high bun. So I picked up these hair ties here, and they're for thick hair. I think I got it from CVS. I'll leave like a similar link, an Amazon link down below, but they come in handy with a lot of these wigs that are thicker, or just with people who have thick natural hair. So okay, so I'm gonna go like section by section, and I'm gonna use my water, using my spray bottle, and my Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard here. And I'm gonna twist the hair up and let it air dry. So it's been like 2 days. I let it dry completely with a twist in there. So we're gonna see what it's like. First, I'm gonna use my She Is Bomb Edge Control and lay my edges down. I have a Amazon link to where you can purchase this. By now, I have showed you guys in one of my recent videos that I now can safely cut out my combs and my wigs, and they feel secure, and just wear a wig grip. So I'm going to use my razor comb, and I'm going to go underneath each comb and take it away from the fabric. This way, when I'm wearing it, I am preserving my edges. The only comb that I keep is the comb in the back. But if you want to, you can take that out as well. So I'm going to use my Jex brand wig grip. You can use any brand. I'll leave a direct link to where you can purchase this one down below. Alright guys, so I am back. You guys have seen what this wig looks like in like a wash and go kind of look, like freshly washed and everything, and then now you see it as a twist out. Wear it how you want. With this wig and the one that I have from Her Given Hair, the one from Her Given Hair, if I haven't already said it, that texture is a 3C to 4A texture, so it's going to be a looser texture. This one is 4B4C, so this is actually what my hair texture is like, 4B4C, and it looks very natural, just like the other texture. And if you don't have 4B4C hair, they do have the other curl types as well. Let me read some more specs about this wig for you guys before I kind of tell you how I feel about it. Obviously, it mimics natural hair. It looks like it's my hair. This is 100% virgin hair. Curls are from root to tip. I noticed this with Melissa that I reviewed last year that I still have. Even after all of these wig sales I've had, I still have Melissa. This is curled from root to tip, so it's gonna look like it's your hair, especially if you have a similar hair texture. Okay, it's more affordable than the one from Her Given Hair. Y'all know I love that. That's one of my favorite headband, human hair headband wigs. But this one is about $100 cheaper. So I feel like they have the same exact quality. This is just a cheaper price point. So if you're trying to save a little bit of money, you might wanna go with this option instead of the one from Her Given Hair. No knock to that one. But it's $100 cheaper, so just use your brain, okay? And they do have a sale going on, and I'll have the specs for that in the description box. So I feel so like sophisticated today. I feel really sophisticated. So when you're washing this wig, as well as with any kinky textured wig, you're gonna get a lot of shedding, just like you would with your natural hair. And I do wanna put this out there. Yes, I love the one from Her Given Hair, and I think this one is beautiful as well. But these wigs are very high maintenance. The kinkier the texture is going to be more high maintenance. So you guys know my first wig, Destiny, is a very loose curl. All I do with that one is really spray it with a little bit of water, put a little leave-in on it, and it's good to go. I feel like with the kinkier textures, it's going to require a lot more work. So if you're looking for something that's just like instantly ready to go, you can wear it right out the pack, but I feel like the curls will be a little bit stiff, so you're gonna have to give it a bit more attention. I did a twist out with this one because I wanted more definition with the texture, but you don't have to do that. You can wear it as is. Yeah, so I do think this is a great buy. It's $100 cheaper than the Her Given Hair wig that I featured on my channel that a lot of you, a lot of you loved, but a lot of you had mixed feelings about the pricing of that one. So here is another more affordable option that is human hair and high quality. So I've told you how I felt about it. I think it's really nice. Now it's up to you to decide if this is something that you would want to purchase. Shout out to CurlsCurls for sponsoring another video, and shout out to you for tuning in. Shout out to my Premiere Squad. If you would like to be a part of Premiere Squad, all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed, hit that notification bell, and then you should be notified every time I do different posts and everything. I don't know when this video is going up, but I did have a wig sale on September 13th. Shout out to everybody who participated. I'm going to have more wig sales coming up because I want my room to be not like ran over with a whole bunch of wigs. So it's probably going to be like a monthly thing because I'm just trying to keep my absolute favorites and get rid of, a lot of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions that I did not answer in this video, list them down below and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as I can. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.